Panergy is a pioneer finest campers and stroller fans company in America. They are manufacturing desktop fans, industrial fans, hanging fans, hand fans and car fans etc., which are used in various scenarios. Panergy using environmental friendly materials and delivers high quality products that protect the health of customers and reduce environmental pollution. The cooling breeze of a portable fan is a cheap and easy way to combat scorching temperatures. With the press of a button, you get an instant breeze to keep the heat at bay. Best of all, they don't rely on outlet power and are mostly small enough to transport in a purse or backpack. But before we start this video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more review videos. Let's unbox it. In the box you find a USB charging cable, a user manual and a beautiful portable fan with 16 LED light beads with 3 brightness settings. 270-degree rotatable pivoting head enables to cool you down and light up your space instantly in whichever direction you like. Equipped with a hidden hanging hook design, 360-degree rotatable and foldable at the bottom of the clamp base for convenient and wide use, hang in a tent, clip on the tent poles, or stand up on a table. The 8-inch diameter of the camping fan puts on amount of airflow and runs really quiet and runs 30 dB at low setting. It has 3 speed options: low, medium and high to meet your demands for different occasions, like as picnic, RV, working or sleeping. Built-in LED lantern which is composed of 16 super bright LED bulbs. It delivers up to 740 lux light intensity to light up your space immediately. 3 brightness settings: low, medium and high provides ideal lighting source for camping, hiking, or emergency lighting at home due to hurricane, power outages, etc. This camping fan features 4 timers with auto shut-off settings: 25%, 50%, 75% or 100%. Set the fan to switch off after a set amount of time for energy-efficient use. It is powered by 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery. Camping fan, not only a fan but also a power bank. It comes with a Type-C and USB port for charging your phone, iPad, and other smart devices. It takes about 8 to 9 hours to fully charge and provides 8 to 100 hours working time at full charge based on how you use different fan and light settings. The fan and light can work on the lowest setting while charging, which ensures you enjoy airflow and lighting continuously. 4 indicators show you how much power remains. If you like the video and want a review of your products, then subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell notification icon.